All right, welcome back. Today is October the 7th, and we're going to start chapter 7. Yay! Lucky number. So, chapter 7, it's about alkynes. So, first thing that we see here is nomenclature. We have nomenclature. We also will have some reactions of alkynes, and there are not a whole lot of them. And then I put here down a mechanism for the hydration of an alkyne. All right. So this class is interactive, and I'm gonna give you the opportunity now to name these compounds. I know that I put this last night around 8 o'clock, but actually it turned out pretty good in the morning. The students knew most of these things, most of these compounds. So I expect that you guys know them too. So I'm taking a volunteer here for number one. Who would like
I
to?
got you, Professor.
Yes. Who is that?
It's Ben.
Ben House.
Yeah.
Yes. Let me write it down already. So I'm just gonna give up the point here because I know it's gonna be right. All right. Go ahead, sir.
All right, that's going to be 3Z, 3-bromo, 6-methyl, hept, 3N1-ine.
Yes, correct. You don't need to say 3Z because there's only one Z. So, but yeah, everything else is fine. So you've got a point. Let me see here. Let me write that down for my audience. So it's Z because this bromo and this group win the priority battle. And then it's C, and then 3-bromo, 6-methyl, hept, that's the root, hept 3-ene, 1-ine. All right, so I'm gonna start numbering this from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have a 3-bromo and a 6-methyl there. Hept is my root. I have 7 carbons. I have a 3-ene and a 1-ine. All right. Who would like to? Yes, Nima. Nima wants to try the next one. And by the way, Nima is the only student I have here.
256 trimethyl F3.
You got it. 256 trimethyl hept 3-ine. All right, so where do we start counting? We start counting from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have a methyl on 2, 5, and 6 becomes trimethyl. Hep is the root. And the ending will be ine. So we have a 3-ine. All right, Nima, Korean. Who would like to earn an extra point here?
I'll give it a shot.
And that's you, Jeffrey?
Yes, that is me.
All right. Go for it, man.
Okay. I've got 4-methyl hept 4-ene 2-ine.
Yes. How about E or Z? What do you read?
Z.
Think again.
E. Oh, yeah, across. Duh.
Yeah, across, yeah. So E, so Jeff, Mosher. Very good, man. Got it. 4-methyl hep, the root is 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so 4-methyl hept, 4-ene, and then 2-ine. All right. So can you please mute yourself, your microphone? I hear someone.
You got it.
Hey, Jeff, can you please mute your mic? Thank you.
Yes, sir. Sorry about that.
Oh, no problem. No problem. Thank you. Hey, excellent. Who wants to name the next one? Some brave soul out there. We have plenty of time here. And you can do this. I mean, you already know alkynes. We trickled them down before, and they shouldn't be so difficult. All right. Who's it gonna be? I will wait because I don't have any rush.
I guess I will, Dr. O, but I don't think
My
I'm
man
gonna get it
there.
right.
All right, go for it, man. Tell me if it's E or Z. Is it E or Z?
I think Z.
Yes. So Z. And what you got?
And then my root is going to be 8, right?
Yes. So your root is oct, and most likely we're gonna have to put a vowel there, octa. Where would you start counting? Option 1 or option 2?
1.
Option 1, yes. So, and that's why the tiebreaker, whenever you have a tie between an alkene and alkyne, the tiebreaker goes to the alkene. And I think the reason for that is the ene is alphabetically first than ine. And so the Y has an I sound. So that is the reason why the ene wins the priority. It's just the alphabet. So it wins the so the functionalities when the functionality it's on both ends and they're competing, the alkene always beats the alkyne. All right, go for it, Bear.
4 bromo.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 bromo, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. What's on 5? You have on 5 and 6 substituents.
Isopropyl.
Yeah, 5 iso.
I might have that part wrong.
No, you got it right. 5 isopropyl.
Oh, okay.
You got it.
6 methyl.
6 methyl.
Oct.
All right. Oct.
4 ene.
No, how many? So check this out. How many enes do you have?
Oh, sorry. 2, right?
2.
Sorry.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a 1 4 ene.
Yeah, 1 for diene. All right.
Or 4 diene.
Yes, this is a diene.
And then 7.
7 ine. All right. So we need to add an A here. Notice that you have a consonant here preceding another consonant. We had to add a vowel. So I'm gonna write that down.
Octa, right?
Octa, yeah. Add a vowel. All right. This is looking good. All right. Who wants this one?
Sorry, that was messy.
Oh, no. That was not messy at all. Bear.
Can I do the next one?
And who is that? Lucas Weiss. Yes, Lucas. Go ahead.
I said E hex 2 ene 5 ine 1 oic acid.
Yeah, you don't need to do the 1. this takes number one, but you don't need to label it or name it. So without the one, how would you call it? So E.
Without the one oic acid.
Yes, without the one. Yes, oic acid. How would you call it? Without the one, just drop the one.
Yeah, you just drop the one.
Yeah. So how would you say it?
E hex 2-ene 5-ionoic acid.
Excellent. That's right. So E hex 2-ene 5-ine. Notice that we're dropping the E here on ine. We're dropping it to oic to put the root ending oic acid because it's carboxylic acid. So the root here is hex, and the ending is oic acid. Lucas Weiss, that was a good. Oh, right. Next one. Who would like to solve that? And we have even participation here. Actually, whoa. It's 4-1. 4 guys versus 1 girl at points. In the morning was the opposite. It was like 6-1. I had to call for a guy to like show up there. And he did.
But I'm like working on it currently.
You working on it? Who's that?
It's Adrian.
Oh, Adrian. All right. Yep. You want to try it on the fly, on your feet?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out.
All right. Be careful, someone might steal it. All right. So while you're thinking, I'm gonna take a sip of water. All right. Okay, can we try it?
I'm wondering, okay, so I might get this wrong because I'm always messing up the amines and everything.
Okay, how about I help you out a little bit?
Okay, because
So-
I have, it's a Z, correct?
Yes, it's a C.
And then I have 3 bromo, 2 chloro.
Yeah.
And then is this where I put the root for like oct?
Yeah, 3 bromo, 2 chloro. And then oct is your root.
Okay. And then that would be 2-ene, 6-ine amine.
Yeah. Oh, well, where's the amine?
4 amine.
Yeah. 4
Okay.
amine. You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So Z, because the chloro and the bromo are on the same side. 3 bromo, 2 chloro, oct, 2-ene, 6-ine, 4 amine. And that was Adrian. Adrian, reminds me your last name again?
Harold.
Harold, that's right. Thank you. All right. I wrote it down. Thank you. Who is next?
I can try.
Avery Gibson. I'm going to write down that name because I have a good feeling this will be right. All right. So that has as much as confidence, I have in you.
I'll try to crack at it.
All right. So
All right.
where will we start numbering from here, right? 1, 2,
Yes.
3,
2,
4,
4,
5, 6, 7.
7.
So if whoever wants to get a point, start thinking about this one while we're solving this. How about that?
So it's Z.
Why Z?
Because of the isopropyl and then the ine on the same side.
I think it's E. It's
Oh,
E
is it?
because 6 and 3 are equal, but 7 beats carbon 2 because it has a chlorine.
Gotcha. Okay, my
So-
bad.
No, that's fine. So E.
E.
Mm-hmm.
7 chloro,
Yeah.
4 isopropyl, hept, 4 ene, 1 ine.
Four in, one ine. That's perfect. Very good. I already gave you the point.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. All right. Who wants to try the next one? I'm gonna switch colors so that they don't interfere.
Can I try that one, Dr. Odens?
Yeah, Newell.
Yes.
No, Bailey Newell. Sorry.
Yes. My other class makes me put my last name first.
I know here on your ID here for Zoom, Newell comes out first. I don't know why.
Okay, so I don't know if it's right or not, but I'm gonna try.
That's the spirit. That's what I'm looking for.
Z, 4 amino, 2 chloro, hept, 2 ene, 5 ine, 3 ol.
That is textbook execution. Perfect.
Good. Okay.
Awesome. So Z, 4 amino, 2 chloro, hept, and then is so let's type this down. Let me write this down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Notice that I had to start from the left. There is a tie also. Carbons 1 and 2, or 6 and 7. The functionality comes on the second carbon, but the alkene wins it. All right, so it's Z, 4 amino, 2 chlorohept, 2 ene, 5 ine, and 3 ol, because it's an alcohol. All right. Great, we're doing excellent progress. I think for the early class, we didn't even get to this one. We got to the previous one in red. All right, this is good. All right, who wants to try this diene? Too bad I don't have any trienes because we'll be trying too much. But we have dying, so we are dying. Slowly but surely. All right. Who wants to take a shot at this one? Any brave soul out there?
I can try it.
All right. So can you say your name, please?
Arada.
Arada. Okay, let me write it down. Arada, and then your last name start with an S.
Yes.
How do you pronounce it?
I would just say Sarong or like Sarong.
Sarong. Oh, that sounds cool. Sarong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah. How about this one? This problem. What you got? Notice that you have 2 alkenes, and they're internal. So there will be E or Z or C and Z or Z and E or ZZ. All right.
Okay, so I have 3E, 5Z, hepta, 3,5 diene, and then 1 ine.
That is excellent. So 3E5. So if I'm right, let's see. We have to count here because this functionality starts first, but it's gonna be mentioned last. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Notice that the triple bond is terminal, so it has to get the number 1 spot, and it beats this one that is on the second carbon. It beats the double bond on carbon 6. So hepta is your root. Notice I'm gonna have to add and she did add an A because we need to add a vowel. You'll see why. Add a vowel. And that's because we have 3,5 diene. All right, and so you have a consonant and another consonant, so you have to add the A to separate those consonants. And then one ein. Woohoo! We had 3 minutes. That's enough time to name this molecule.
Can I try this one, Dr. Odins?
Yes, Mary Tap. All right, go for it.
This may be wrong, but I'm thinking 3Z, 5E,
Mm-hmm.
3 ethyl octa, 3 5 diene, 1 ein.
That is perfect. Another textbook execution. That's the highest title here on this class. 3Z, 5E. Then, so we have one. We have to start from this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That is our root. Our root is an octa. So 3 ethyl octa. I'm gonna put oct. The root right now is oct. But since I have 3,5 diene and then 1 ein, I need to add a vowel here to separate those two consonants. So add a vowel. All right, we can stop here. This is good.
I have a question, Dr. Odins.
Yes, Maddie.
On that last one, I started counting from the triple bond.
Oh, shoot, yes.
Okay, I just want to make sure.
Sorry, you're right. Thank you, Maddie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah, that is correct because it has the highest functionalities in the end. And that makes sense because we have a 3,5 diene, 3 ethyl. Yep. And then 1 ein. Perfect. Thank you. Let me stop the recording and then I can answer any other questions.